Hello, this is for the one that you will see on your LeapFrog Binoculars. I just saw these! That was... That's huge! Watch this. And you have night vision.
Cool.
And you can take it off by pressing it again.
Does it have any games on the LeapFrog Binoculars?
Sure. Why didn't you ask? And there's what it does, and it has camera, night vision, BBC field guide.
Wow.
And this is the BBC field guide.
Games and gallery. What is your favorite thing about the LeapFrog Binoculars?
I would say everything, because to me it's lots of fun. And if you press on this one, you'll get the big cats.
Is there anything you don't like about the LeapFrog Binoculars?
I wouldn't say there's anything I wouldn't like about them. And they'll show you all the big cats. And they got that one for...
And what do you do with these characters?
Well, we tap into them and then you can learn small facts about them.
Cool. Are there any other features you want to show us on your LeapFrog Binoculars?
Sure. You can also learn about other things on there.
Like what?
Water mammals, airborne birds, earthbound birds, amphibians.
Well, we see there's a lot of learning to be done on these night goggle vision binoculars. The price runs about $55 to $69, depending on where you purchase them. I would say that the binoculars has kept your attention. We've had them for 2 weeks and you can't put them down. So I guess, you know, they're worth their money's worth. What do you think?
I think they're lots of fun. And if you press the out button and go to the main menu, you have the games, and then you have the quiz, and then you have the gallery. I have some pictures in my gallery. This is what your gallery will look like. It'll load, and then you have your gallery.
Cool.
And you have your pictures on it. And also, if you go to the main menu, I can show you this. And
so they have quizzes?
Yeah, and this is what the quiz looks like.
Okay.
And you have to use this little thing right here. So, and the check mark button.
Okay.
And this is what it is. I got to the third round for the first time. This one is an amphibian.
Oh, wow.
Knocking tail frogs are very big. It's almost like crazy.
Cool. Well, thanks for showing us the LeapFrog Binoculars. I am going to rate this as a mom on a scale of 1 to 10 and 8, and that is very, very good. The only reason I'm giving it an 8 and not a 10 is because it does require screen time. And if you're a parent that monitors screen time, you have to add this in as screen time. So if you're only giving your child, let's say 30 minutes of screen time a day, you're gonna have to cut down the average amount of time they're on their binoculars. Other than that, I give it a 10, but because they do have to focus and have screen time on this, I would just be aware of that.
But also, on the LeapFrog Binoculars, you can do the game.
Okay. Well, thanks again. Is there anything else you want to add? Oh, wow, that is so cool. Lots of illustration, lots of things to keep their minds busy. This is not a paid advertisement. As you can see, we gave it an honest review of an 8. And I like it because it keeps him busy and he wants to play with it daily. And this is 2 weeks in. And you guys know that after 2 weeks, kids pretty much put toys down. Thank you so much, and we will be off to our next toy review.
All islands on here.
Got more stuff.
Rainforest Retreat, Dusty Dunes, Blizzard Bay,
So quite a few.
which is actually
Quite a
Savannah.
few things to do on here.
And then you go back to the Running Forest Retreat. Bye.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for showing it to us. And check us out on our next toy review.